Hello, in front of me I've got POCO F4. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter password and security. Go to screen lock, confirm with your pattern or current screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: pattern, PIN and password. Let's enter PIN. And enter PIN between 4 to 16 digits. Now let's enter the key and select password. And the last method to unlock the screen is pattern. Simply enter it. Set your pattern. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now we can go to fingerprint unlock, confirm, and simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor by tapping it multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's it. Once it's done, we can go to face unlock and simply scan your face in this area. And now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.